Hello, hi. This is your girl Josy. Welcome back to my channel. I can't believe we are in March, and March is a very important month for me, especially because March is a Ghana month. I'm from Ghana, the country Ghana. So proud to be a Ghanaian. And this month, in all my videos, I'm going to show you something from Ghana, where I was born. I'm going to answer some few questions. So if you have any questions about Ghana, Ghana is in West Africa. It's on the African continent. And one thing I want to tell you guys, Ghana is a very beautiful country. So today we're going to cast off my 100 envelope savings challenge, the family one. We are on our way to 20,000. And I'm so excited that I'm doing this. So welcome to my channel. It's your girl Josy. On this channel, we talk all about cast off and savings challenges. We also talk about debt, which is my student loan. So if it's something that you like, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it so that you don't miss any of my video. As you all know, today is Saturday, so we're going to cast off the 100 envelope savings challenge for my family. This is the money. But in this month of March, like I said, it's a Ghana month. So every day that I post a video, I'm going to tell you something about Ghana, or I'm going to show you something from Ghana. And since this is a money channel, my first thing I'm going to show you is our currency. The Ghana currency is called cedi. And this is the 20 cedis. It used to be a very big amount, but we cut down the zeros. We slide down some zeros. And now we have it like 20, 10. We don't have it like in a big amount. And on this, if you can see, it's very colorful. So this is how it look like. So it's Ghana cedi, 20 cedi. It has a Bank of America. It has Bank of Ghana here. And I love my country, Ghana. Anytime I go to Ghana, it's like kind of like fulfilling a mission. So I wanted to show you how our money look like. It's very colorful. This one look like purple. We have other ones that look like red. We have other colors as well. Very colorful. I remember one time when I went to Ghana, I did a video by cast off in my envelopes. I'm going to leave that video up here so that you guys can check it out. So let's dive into the video. So let's count the money. Now that you know a little bit about Ghana, let's count the money. So we're going to cast off with this amount. We're going to do my envelope and my mom's this week. And next week, we'll do my husband and the kiddos. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 200. We're going to do math here. Hopefully, we have 20. That's 220. Then we have 230, 240, 250, 260, 270, 280, 290, 300. 305, 306, 307, 308, 309, 310, 311, 312. So we are cast off in about 312 into mine and my mom's. So as you guys all know, the 100 envelope savings challenge has been one of the popular challenge on this channel. And I'm so grateful that I'm doing this year. And I'm so thankful to everybody who has been watching. So grateful to tell you guys, anytime I post the video about 100 envelope savings challenge, I know I get new subscribers. So I just want to welcome you here. I'm doing mine in a different way. I have the low income one, and I also have the ones that I'm showing different ways that you can do your 100 envelope savings challenge. So for today, we are doing my mom's first. And for my moms, each of them get $25 in a slot. So we are not doing it like the regular 100 envelope savings challenge. The reason why I'm doing that is that I just want to tell everybody, you don't have to do it in a normal way. You can switch it around. 100 envelope savings challenge has been one of the challenges that a lot of people do. And at times it kind of gets stressful while you do it. But we want to release that stress from you. I want to take that stress from you. That's why I'm showing you different ways that you can do the 100 envelope savings challenge. So if you are new here and you have the challenge somewhere, I want to urge you to go take the 100 envelope savings challenge. Anyhow you want to do it, or get your 100 envelopes and do it like the way you think you can. Don't follow the traditional way. You can do it. You can do this. So for my mom, each slots get $25. So we're going to put $25. And if you have any question about the 100 envelope savings challenge, leave in the comments. And I'll be so glad to answer. And for today, I haven't asked my question yet. I hope everybody's doing very well. I'm doing very well. Like I said, this month is Ghana month. And I'm super excited that it's Ghana month. I'm so proud to be a Ghanaian. I can't wait to go back for a visit. Anytime I go, I feel like I shouldn't come back to the States. That's the truth. Because that's where I grew up. So for about my 25 years of life, I live in Ghana. I was born, raised until I was older before I came to the States. So I always miss my family over there. I always miss my culture. And I feel like there's a lot that I can offer in my country that I was born. So I love Ghana. So 25. At the end, I'm going to save $2,500 for my mom. Okay, so that's all for my mom's own. And we've done a lot of it. We are now on the 28 slots. We are going to 100. Hopefully by the end of not November, by the end of October, I'll be done with all the challenge. We are asking for God's grace so that we can finish that. Okay, and this is mine. For those of you who have been asking me, I have this challenge on my shop. So if you want to purchase it, go ahead and do so. And it also comes in, I always want to tell people, apart from the tracker, I also give you an empty tracker like this. So that in case you are doing it in a different way, you also have something to track it. So that's why I have that. Let's go ahead and finish mine. So for today, I'm doubling my number. So 25 will be 50. Because we want to save about 10,000 plus, me and my husband are doubling. Because we want to save about 10,000 for each of us, me and my husband are doubling the envelope. So 26 is going to be $52. $27 is going to be 54. then 28 is gonna be 56. Okay, so that's all for that one. I'll go ahead and keep the tracking going. Okay, so this is how it look like. It all comes with my 100 envelope savings challenge, and you can also customize it with your name, or if you're giving it to somebody as a gift, you can also do that. And I have it in my shop. I just have a few, so go check it out. Let me put this on the side and let me go ahead and update my mom's tracker, which I didn't do. So like I said, my mom gets $25 in each draw. At the end, we're going to have $2,500. Okay, so remember that is Ghana month, and we saw our currency, which one is 20 Ghana cedi. So thanks for watching me today. So grateful that you are here. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye bye.